call waiting is a feature on Samsung phones that makes a sound if you get a call while you're already on the phone. You'll hear a beep when a new call comes in while you're on a call. If you set up call waiting on your Samsung phone ahead of time, you can choose to answer the new call or let it wait. If you answer the new call, the first call will be put on hold. Make sure the first caller knows this to avoid being rude most of the time. Turning on call waiting on your Samsung is enabled by default, but some carriers may require additional help from them to configure, even though you've turned on call waiting. If it doesn't seem to be working, you should let your network operator know. This guide will show you how to set up call waiting in a few simple steps. Look at the steps listed in this video. Open the phone app. Tap the three dots at the upper right. Select Settings. Tap Supplementary Services. Tap the switch for call waiting and move it to the right. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.